This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study music class. First, familiarize yourself with your syllabus and the exam structure. Knowing what to expect helps you prioritize your efforts. Next, dedicate time each day to practical application, whether it's vocal practice or playing your instrument. Consistent practice builds muscle memory and improves your performance. Finally, commit to memorizing essential musical terminology and historical context, as this forms the theoretical foundation of your knowledge. Balancing practical and theoretical study is crucial for success. Aim for at least 30 minutes of daily practical work, focusing on scales, ragas, or specific pieces. Complement this with 45 minutes of theory review, 3 times a week, covering topics like notation, harmony, and rhythm. Actively analyze different musical compositions to grasp their underlying structure and the techniques used by composers. This integrated approach strengthens both your performance and understanding. To enhance your retention, employ effective memory and revision techniques. Flashcards are excellent for quickly reviewing definitions, ragas, or talas. Record your practice sessions and listen back critically. This helps identify areas needing improvement. A powerful learning method is to teach concepts to a friend or family member. Explaining complex ideas in simple terms reinforces your own understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge. As you approach exams, focus on targeted preparation. Solve previous year's question papers to understand the format and common questions. This also helps manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Remember to maintain a healthy routine, ensuring you get around 8 hours of sleep each night for optimal cognitive function. And speaking of staying healthy, check the description for a link to the O-Ala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and focused throughout your studies. Good luck with your music class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.